In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a savings vault in the Revolut app. If you're looking to set money aside and earn interest without hassle, this walkthrough will take you from opening the app to having a ready-to-use savings account. We'll go step by step so you know exactly what to expect and why each screen matters. Start by opening the Revolut app on your device. Give it a second to load your accounts and dashboard. Having a stable internet connection helps the process run smoothly and ensures all the latest features are available. On the main screen, scroll down until you see the savings section, then tap it. This area is dedicated to savings options and is where Revolut lets you create what it calls a vault, essentially a savings account designed for easy deposits and clear interest tracking. Next, choose the type of savings account you want. Revolut offers different options, and depending on your subscription level, some accounts can pay up to 5% interest. Take a moment to review what each option includes. You'll typically see the interest rate, how often interest is paid, and whether the funds are easy access or have any restrictions. Look for details like the annual percentage rate, potential fees, and any notes about how the interest can change over time. Also, double-check the currency displayed to make sure it matches how you plan to save. When you found the account that fits your goals, read the terms and conditions carefully, then tap Agree. This section explains important details such as how interest is calculated, how and when it's credited, what protections may apply, and any rules around deposits or withdrawals. Taking a minute here can help you avoid surprises later. You'll now be prompted to answer some tax-related questions. These vary by country, but they usually confirm your tax residence and help Revolut meet regulatory requirements. Provide accurate information as requested. If a tax identification number is needed in your region, have it ready. Clear and correct answers ensure your savings account is set up properly and remains compliant. That's it. Your new savings account or vault is ready. You can start adding money right away and begin saving. Move funds from your Revolut balance or direct new deposits into the vault and watch your savings grow over time. Consider setting a clear savings goal and checking in periodically to see how interest is accruing. With everything in one place, it's easy to keep track of progress and make adjustments as your needs change. Thanks for watching and enjoy building your savings with Revolut.